Hey, WordPress power users! The countdown is on for the biggest sale event of the year. BdThemes Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals are here. This Black Friday and Cyber Monday season, boost your WordPress experience with unbeatable discounts on BdThemes best plugins and add-ons. We're offering up to 85% off on our top tools, so you can supercharge your site with everything you need to stand out. The lineup? Think Element Pack Pro for all your essential widgets, Prime Slider to showcase like a pro, ZoloBlocks to bring Gutenberg to life, Ultimate Store Kit for a seamless e-commerce experience, Ultimate Post Kit for content creators, and Pixel Gallery to make your visuals shine. Only available for a limited time, these exclusive deals are designed to help you unleash the full power of WordPress without breaking the bank. So, let's gear up for a fantastic Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Claim your deal now. Use coupon BFCM2024 at checkout or follow the link below to save big. Don't miss out. Get your hands on the best tools for less and set up your website for success this Black Friday and Cyber Monday.